From the start of my life, can you, from the start of my life being with you, I know that this day will come through. The day that I say goodbye to all of you. Goodbye, but my heart don't like to. It was so hard to live with you, but it's harder to live away from you. It was tiresome to work with you weekly, but it is painful to leave you today. Oftentimes I heard that you didn't like me. Your critics made my heart dismayed. But now I'm leaving, my heart is in pain. It's hard to think, it seems I'm insane. I thought I would be happy to be away from you. I thought I would be contented when I leave you. I was wrong, no matter it is right, I fixed my mind just last night. Farewell to you, my URC friend. Farewell, I hope we meet again. Goodbye to you all, my love. Goodbye to all what we have. Now I'm leaving, my life is changing. I know you're a part of my growing. The laughter and crying, joy and pain are treasures of my heart as my gain. I'm now thankful to those who love me. You have gave me strength to live each day. I'm also thankful to those who don't like me. You led me to wisdom, seeing the future today. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your smile. Thank you for your words. Thank you for everything. One thing I cannot imagine since before, what will happen to me in the future. That's why I take my life as adventure, facing differences as part of nature. Like what happened to me before, I was in love, you asked for more. Yet, no matter what, I gave my all. I learned to love and enjoy my goal. So it will be to my next territory. I know it's not easy or hard to be. I will live freely to serve them all well. My role as chaplain is to ring the bell. Mine is not to please nor to praise, but to make a noise of truth by voice. Mine is not to expect the pay of love, but to serve with all my heart for God. I'm struggling to accept the changes, though I can easily love strangers. The pain is not about the new ones, but it's about leaving my loved ones. Attaching to new ones is so easy. It's nice to make one new family, but it's so unbearable to detach from you. So painful to say goodbye before I go. It's my mistake because I learned to love. Supposedly, as pastor, I serve only God. But is it sin to put you in my heart? It is not. It's no one's fault. Even I am so hurt. All what I experience for being with you becomes a learning lesson to use tomorrow. You're part of my growth. Through joy or sorrow, you give me strength for a new path to follow. Now they are waiting for me to come. Some are glad and some are mad. My presence to them can be a blessing, but expectantly to some be groaning. I know and accept the purpose of their call. That is for me to roll the ball, to hit the problems they cannot take, in expense of my happiness until I'm sick. It's so hard to think the pain that I have. Leaving you, I'm suffering and so sad. Life is so unfair for me to live. My joy is taken, replaced with hidden. Now that I love you, you are taken away. Life is so unfair, prohibits me to be happy. Now that I laugh with you, I'm asked to go. Life is so unfair, destined me to live in blue. My time is up, the paper cannot contain the longing in my heart with grief of day. Thank you for your time before I'm gone. Farewell to all of you, my work is done. Farewell to those who love me and like me. Farewell to those who don't, now you'll be happy. All that I know is to love you all. So I say farewell. God bless you all. And this song we'd like to sing to you. I'd like to ask my family to be with me. Taken from the song, Time After Time, He Was There All the Time. I'd like to request Handel to play the piano as we sing this song for you.